In the previous video we talked about retry mechanism. Now in this video we'll talk about debugging practice, debugging option, what is bug and what is debug, and what are the options available in the debug. What is bug? When a project does not work the way you expect it to work, then we say there is a bug in a project. You can say when there is an error in your project, that is called bug. Okay. Now what is debugging in a Blue Prism? Debugging is the process to identify and remove errors from the project, that is called debugging. Now what are the options available in Blue Prism for the debugging? So if you see this screenshot, it shows that here we have, these are the debugging steps options that we have, and with the use of these debugging steps, the debugging options, we can debug our projects and we can find out the errors, problems, and we can fix those issues here. Now we'll go with the one by one. These are the debugging options that we have. If we'll click on debug menu, and you can see all these options available for the debugging. Now the first option, that is go button, you can find out here also. This go, this is to run your project. If you just reset and run from here, it will start running from the main page. It will start from here, it will complete everything. Now this is the run go button. Now we'll cover these things in this video: step, step out, and a step over. Step is used when you want to analyze each steps closely, step by step. If it encounters a page or process or action, it opens that process or page and executes each stage step by step. And the keyboard shortcut for the step option is F11. Now what is step over? It executes each and every stage step by step. But if it encounters a page or process or action, it executes it without opening that process or page or action. So this is the difference. Now the shortcut key of this option is F10. And what is step out? It executes everything that is available on the current page without opening that process, page, or action. It means it will not open one by one. It will complete everything without showing you, without highlighting any stage. It will just complete everything and go to the end. But in the previous two, it will highlight each and every stage and then it will execute that. Now the shortcut key for this step out is Shift F11. Let me show you practically. A step is used to execute your stages step by step. If we have used page stage here, then, and if it is a container, so obviously page is a container and it has the other stages also. If we just open this launch and login page here, it has other stages. So a step is used to execute each stage one by one, step by step. So if we'll click here, it will go from main, because we are on the main page. You can see. Now once we click on a step, it will open that page. You can see here. Now we are here. Now it will start, it will highlight and go to the next stage, and this is now action. And now this is action, and we have used this action, we are calling that a specific object page. So if you click on step, it will open that object studio, that page. You will see here. Now we are on the object studio, and then it will complete one by one. You will see here, and then it will close that and it will come to the process studio now, because it will go and now complete the login part here. Now we'll come to the step over. Now step over also used to execute stage step by step, but it does not open the container page, that page. it will just complete whatever showing on this main page. It will complete one by one, but it will not open that specific page. Let me first click on step so that we are here. Now click on a step over and you will see here it will not open that page. It will just complete whatever used in that page. So it will execute all the stages which are written here. Now again click on step over, so it will directly complete whatever used in this go to orders menu. It will complete this part and then it will highlight the next one. It means it will start executing next one. You will see here after that. Now let me show you step out. Let me close that. So step out will complete, executes all the activities, all the stages that used on this page. It will not highlight you that which stage is now currently executing. If you just click on this and you will see here it will start running everything, and it is not showing that we are on this stage or we are on this page. It will not show. So I know currently it will throw an error, and the error is retry limit reached, unable to open requested file. So this file is not available. So by this way it will complete everything which is showing on the main page, on this page. This is the debug speed, and here we have slow, normal and fast. So if we'll make it slow, it will process slow wise, Now if we just increase the speed, normal, so it will run in the normal mode. Now if you click on fast and then you will run this, and you will see it will complete this very fast. If we are here on the get Excel as a collection, if I want to just closely watch this line like this is working fine or not, so what will I do here? Set next stage, set the speed is normal like that, and then run this. And now you will see here I will able to see everything, that now it is going to retry count, resume this, again open, recover like that. But now if you increase the speed, and now you can see it is throwing an error. Let me run again, right click, set next stage, and now run this, and you will see here we didn't see that steps. Automatically it is showing that retry count 3 now, and then it is throwing an error. Now in the next video we will discuss about breakpoints